Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another unboxing. This one is from Warby Parker, and these are sunglasses frames. And how this works is you go online, you can choose 5 frames, they mail them to you. You can keep them for a few days, try them on, try them out, see how comfortable they are. And then if you like any of them, you just go online, send them your prescription, and they will send you a pair of glasses in the frames you love. Keep these for a few days. You do have to send all of these back. These are just testers, and then they send you your own complete pair of glasses later when you choose which ones you like. And I did this a few months ago with some just regular eyeglasses, and I love them so much. I still wear them all the time. So I'm trying out their sunglasses. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Here is the inside of the box. You have the home try-on guide. Here are the 5 pairs of frames, and I just chose a variety of frames this time. I bought some that were for wide faces, some that were for narrow. I just did not know which ones would feel the most comfortable for my face. So I have just a wide variety here. So I'm going to try them all on, and let me know in the comments below if there are any I should keep or if I should send them all back. So let's see what they look like. Here is the first one. This one is called Landy, and the color is Whiskey Tortoise. So let's see how these feel and these look. Ooh, these are actually very comfortable. I really like these. These are very comfortable. They're a little slidey, but gosh, I think I like these. Here is the next one. This one actually is for narrow faces. It says it on the packaging, and it is called Durand. So let me try these on. All right, I don't like these as much as the first pair. They just, as soon as I put them on, and actually the lens color is different. This one feels like more of a blue lens. But, so this is the second one. This is Durand. Here is the third pair. These are called Raglan in the color Jet Black. When I first put them on, they felt a little big, but I don't know. I may like these as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me go try on the next pair. Here's the next pair. These are also narrow, and they're called Aubrey, and the color is Marzipan Tortoise. These are super comfortable. You know, when you put on a pair of glasses, just right away, they feel so good. And that's how these feel. I don't love the tortoise. I feel like it's kind of screaming out. But we'll see. I'm going to probably, the cool thing about this Warby Parker try-on is that you can keep them for a while. You can keep them for a few days. So that's why I like this better than going to an eyeglasses store, because I'll go to these eyeglasses stores and I'll try them on for about 30 seconds. And I'm like, these are super comfortable. And then I get them home and they're not. So with these Warby Parker, you can wear them around the house for a little while just to make sure they are definitely comfortable. And that's what I'm feeling. This vibe with these are the most comfortable so far. I don't know if they have a different color frame. I love these in a plain black, but we'll see. I have one more pair, so let me go try those on. Here is the last pair. These are called Esme, and the color is Sesame Tortoise. So let's see how these look. Oh, these are very comfortable too. Oh my goodness, this is going to be really tough trying to figure out. So comfort's my number one. If they're not comfortable, they have to go back. So, and then looks are second. That's why I think I've basically been wearing the same glasses for the last 5 years, because I found a pair of Ray-Bans that are so comfortable. They're actually in the car. Let's see, it's these. These have been my go-to glasses for about 5 years. They're Ray-Bans. These are prescription lenses. If you look at my Instagram or anything, I'm basically wearing these in every photo. It's been a long time. I've had these. I've actually bought these same frames, I believe, 3 different times. I just want to mix it up a little bit. That's why I'm trying Warby Parker. And this last pair, wow, I think these are the most comfortable. So I'll have to go back. I'm going to play it back and see what it looks like in the video. But if you have a vote, please let me know in the comments below which ones I should keep, if any, or if I should send them all back. It's super easy to send them back. I just pack them up in the same box they arrived in. There is a mailing label already included, and I just stick that on and drop it in the mail. Super easy, super convenient. And again, I love this because you can try them on and wear them around the house for a few days to see how they really feel. And the price is really great too. I know for my prescription regular glasses, they were only $99. I'm not quite sure if the sunglasses are more, but I will leave all that information in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.